Okay. Yeah, I can see I'm live. So thank you so much for joining. I'm just going to wait for some time and then we'll start with the today's topic. So basically we'll be targeting to the shell scripting today. Last time also I started the shell scripting. So few more concept will target to the shell scripting today. So few things which I want to ask here that whether my voice is clear or not. That is the first thing. If you think that my voice is clear, then you can just say yes. We'll just wait for some time and then we'll start with the shell scripting. Okay. Okay. Let me check from my side only. I know because the people are yet to join, so they will take some time to join. Okay, everything is looking clean. It's clear. Thanks. All right. So, thanks Rohit, Suresh, Syed. Okay. Okay. So, what you want to learn today? What do you want to learn? Okay. So, in the last lecture, okay, we discuss about how you can write your data, like how you can write your SQL plus data inside the log file. That's what we have learned in the last lecture. Okay, when I was on live. So basically, let's say you got connected to the SQL plus utility and you want to check the database status. You saw that your database is up and running, whatever the status, like maybe no mount or open stage. You got the database status and you want to write it into the log file, and then that log file you want to save it. That's what we have learned in the last live session. Today I'll be showing you some more interesting things related to the echo command. Okay, echo command and few more steps we'll be looking today. So let me do one thing. Let me open my I'll just show you my screen first so that you can see me. Okay, I hope you can see my screen now. I'm opening this. Okay, that's it. Okay, you know, if you want to write down any shell script, you need one server. Okay, you need one server. Now there are two things. First thing is, either you can directly install your server. It can be any server. You can install that server. That one thing you can do. Maybe you can install Oracle Enterprise Linux, or you can also install Ubuntu with the help of your VMware. That part you can do. Second thing is, if you are not sure and you don't know how to install it, that's fine. In our Windows 10 machine, you have inbuilt feature is there through which you can start your Ubuntu. So how to enable that feature? Okay, how to enable that feature? To enable that feature, first of all, you can open your control panel. Okay, then you need to go to the category small. Okay, there are multiple ways you can go through it. Let me show you one more thing. Go to the settings. Okay, what you can do, you can go to the settings, then click on these apps. Okay, then click on the related setting, display setting. Let me check that because I also forgot, I guess. Okay, click on programs and features. Okay, got it. Okay, let me show you from the starting itself. Okay, my bad, I forgot it actually. Apps and features. Okay, yeah, let me show you from the starting. Okay, what you need to do, click on the start. Okay, Then search here with the help of settings. I have already created one separate video for that, but let me show you here. Click on the settings. If you click on the setting, then you need to click on the apps. Okay, you need to click on the apps. Okay, here you can see app and feature. Click on that. Programs and feature. Then click on turn Windows feature on or off on the left hand side. Then scroll it down and just click. You need to check this Windows subsystem for Linux. Check this and click on OK. So it will ask you to reboot your system. It means to say your Windows subsystem for Linux has been enabled. Okay. Now you just need to install that. How to do that? Just click on starts, go to the Microsoft Store, and here you can just search with the Ubuntu, or you can search with the Linux. Okay, you can search with the Linux. Press enter, and you can see that there are multiple Linux will be there. What I am interested is to install this Ubuntu. Just click on that, and on the top you will get option to download and install. So you just need to install as like you are installing other softwares. Click on. Right now I'm getting the message called launch because this is already installed in my operating system, so I don't need to do. Now if you open it, it will ask you first of all to enter the password of your user. So for my user, I have entered my password, and you can just set your password on here. Now let's say you want to connect to the root. Okay, you can connect to the root with the help of sudo root command and enter. Okay, it's asking me the password of my user. I'm just mentioning that sudo su -root. That's it. You can see that right now I'm connected with the root user. You just need to fire the command like sudo su hyphen, like this, sudo su hyphen and root. This will help you to connect to the root user. Now this is your Ubuntu, guys, on your Windows. You don't need to install separate Linux or anything for that. You can use this Linux, which is your Ubuntu flavor, you can use, and you can write down your whole shell script and everything over here only. So that is the first things that you can perform. I hope you understood. Please let me know if you can if you understood it clearly, so that we can go ahead. Alright, so this is how you can get your things. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll try to create one shell script. Okay, and we'll try to see some of the things related to the shell scripting. Okay, what I'm doing, let's say I have one message. Okay, let's say my database is down. I want to write down one message saying that my database is down. Now this message, okay, should be comes in the red color because it's a very dangerous message, right? So what you will do when your database is up and running, you will not give any color to your message. You will simply say my database is down. But when you want to give some color to your message, that time there are some things you can perform which will give your message into the red color, saying like database is down. Let me create one small shell script. I'm giving test.sh. I'm creating this script vi test. Now first of all, I'm using my bash bin bash. Okay, this is called shebang line. Okay, so this will tell you that, this will tell to your interpreters that this is tell you like I'm going to use my bash interpreter. There are multiple interpreters are there in the Linux operating system. Among that, I'm going to use bin bash. Okay, this is a location from where it is going to be interpret the result. Okay, now I'm giving a message like echo database is down. Okay, now you can see the color in red color. But if you try to execute this, how to give execute? First of all, you need to give the executable permission. So chmod plus x test.sh. I'm giving executable permission. Done. Now how to run the shell script? Bash test.sh. When I'm printing this result, I'm getting a message called database is down. But still, this message is coming into the white color only, which is the default color of your operating system or this Linux. Okay. But now I am in a situation I want to see this message into the color, into the red color, because I know that this is a dangerous alert. This is something, you know, which is very critical alert. So whenever you want to print something which is in critical alert and you want to give some color, you can use a color code in that case. So we have a color code, okay, that you can use. So let me show you practically. Red color code in shell scripting. Just search like this, you'll get some plenty of scripts. Okay, you can just use that. Let me check which is the color code for. Okay, let's do one thing. I have some already Udemy shell scripting color code. Okay, let me open this. Okay, no, okay. So for red color, this is a color code. Okay, I'll try to use this color code. Let me use that. I'm taking this for red color, and then I will try to use it in my shell script. So here on insert mode, write this. Okay, database is down. Let me try to run it. Bash. Even though I'm not able to see this, like even though I have used the color code, but still it is not working. Why? Because I want to tell to the shell script that I have entered something which you need to execute with the help of echo command. So if you are doing something more than, like if you want to execute something with the help of echo command, you need to use echo -e, echo, and then you need to use -e, saying like I want to execute this, and then try to run it. When I'm using this color code, which is my red color, you can see that the database is down is coming under red color. But again, there is one problem. Problem is everything is coming under the red color now. Okay, even though if I'm typing anything, that thing is also coming under the red color. So once your work is done, okay, once this message is in red color and it's completed, what you can do, you can reset the color of it. You can reset the color. So how to reset the color? So for that, there is one more color code is there for this color of. So you can just use that after your message. So I want to stop the color here only. So I'll go here and I'll use that. I'm sorry, I made a mistake, so I need to go undo, insert, and then paste it like this. Okay, and save it. Let me run it now. Here you can see the color has been reset to the white, and only this message is coming into the red color. So that's the learning for today. Okay, that's the learning for today. So what I want to tell you today, guys, let me show you what I want to tell you. So basically the funda is, whenever you want to show some message which is a critical message, obviously we want that message to be shown into the red color so that you can see it very clearly, like something is wrong in that. Okay, so you can give the color to your message also by using this color code, and that's how it works. So you need to give the color code from where you want to see the message. You have a different color code for different color, and once your work is done, like once you see that message, you need to reset that you need to reset that color. If you are not resetting it, everything will come into the red color only. And for resetting the color also, we have color code. That's the today's learning. I hope you have understood. I'll wait for some time. Just let me know your feedback and let me know if you understood it. Okay, Let me see your messages. Okay, so there is one message like, do I need VM? No, you don't need any VM. Okay, you don't need any VM. Okay, without VM also, okay, without VM also you can directly get your Ubuntu. You don't need any VM actually for that. Okay, that's the understanding. So because starting from your Windows 10 machine, you can directly get to Ubuntu, and on that Ubuntu you can install whatever you want to install. Okay, or for Linux, or for just practice your shell scripting, you can use this Windows platform. Okay, so this is the right, this is actually, very good things that has been introduced in, especially in Windows, especially for those who want to start their career in the Linux technology. Okay, so I hope you understood. In going forward, what I'm planning, that I will start some webinar also like this, like the way which I'm coming on YouTube, same way I'll start my a premium webinar, maybe on weekends. Okay, so where the people can directly join through the Zoom, or maybe some other softwares like Webex, and they can ask me the question, because this YouTube platform where like you can ask the question through the by chatting or something, but you cannot directly ask me the questions, like it's not that much interactive, so that's the problem. Okay, okay, there is a message like, can you please zoom out? So can you just tell me, like, guys, whether it is understandable, or whether you able to see my screen? How was that? Would you like to see those type of sessions on the regular basis? Okay, can you include the uncolor reset script in the script, so I don't go back and forth with the script editing? So you can directly, you see, resetting color means, those message which you want to show. Okay, let me show you one more, let me try to show you one more thing. Okay, I'm just little bit zooming out. See, if you don't want to reset, I got your question. Okay, first thing, are you able to see me? That is important. Okay, you can see me, that's great. Okay, what I want to say, that this is my first message, guys. Okay, this is my first message. So this is coming in red color. After that I have reset the color here. Let's say I want to put one more message, echo. I don't want, I'm just inserting, I don't want color now, color here. So I will not use the color code, I will not use the color code here. Now I'll say that echo -e, because this time I want different color, so I'll just use this color. Let's say I need green color. Okay, I'll use this. Going here. Okay, green color message printing. Okay, now once this is a color, green color, I want to reset it. Okay, I want to reset it because I don't want anything to come in the green color later on, so I'll just reset it. That's it, and save it, and let's run it. See what you observe. I'm just opening the script for you. See what I did. Database is down because this is a critical message, so I just put it into the red color. Then for the second line, I don't want any color, so I have not used any color code here. That's why it is coming in the default color, that is my white message. Third thing, I want into the green color. My spelling is mistake, that's, you can just ignore me, and don't ignore me. You can ignore this message basically. So this is a message which I want into the green color. Okay, that's why it is coming like this. Okay, that's why it is coming like this. So wherever you want which color, you can take the color, reset it where you want to end it, and start new color code again, or you can use the same color code. Likewise, it's working, I hope. Okay, you understood now. Clear, guys? Clear or not? Is it clear or not? It should be clear. Okay, so I think we can stop here. Mm, let me know if you have any questions, queries, anything. I'm ready to wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and if you don't have any question, so we'll come again with something interesting. Okay, with something interesting in the next lecture. Okay, Mercy is saying thank you. Got it. Thank you. Thanks for acknowledging it. I Now I can see that you all people are learning actually, and you are coming to just see the screen. And so, what about other people? Everyone understood? Any questions, queries, anything? Okay. This is how we can start learning to the shell scripting, and you can do a lot of stuffs. You can do a lot of automation by using this shell scripting. Okay. So this is how you can do that. I'll be coming one more time live, maybe by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Depends on your messages. Okay, just put your messages into the comment section. So I'll be definitely coming live for all of you. Okay, if you have any suggestions, anything, just you can put it over here. I hope you enjoyed the session, and thank you so much for joining. I hope my voice was clear and everything was pretty good. Okay guys, all right, see you with the next live session, and meantime you can just enjoy your life. Happy weekends. Bye bye. Thank you. And one more thing, if you are looking for real-time database training, definitely you can contact me. I'm just starting my new Oracle DBA batch very soon, so my current batch is already full, so I'll start my new batch from the next week. Okay, so those who are looking for Oracle DBA real-time database training, definitely you can contact me. All the details you can get it into the description section. I have created a recording session for the Oracle DB interview question series, okay, which is very cheap now, only $30. Okay, so definitely you can enjoy that portion also, okay, which is 2000 rupees Indian rupees. So if you are interested, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. I will give you access to that recording also. This is completely real-time database interview questions which has been asked into the different interviews and to the different people. So along with the solutions, everything is practically explained, and many topics I tried to cover there, and again new things will also definitely come there, so don't worry about that. Bye bye.